There is truly no going back once you've experienced that fresh out of the shower feeling every time you use the bathroom, all without having to deal with a single battery or a complicated electrical outlet. The non-electric dual nozzle bidet attachment is the ultimate home upgrade for anyone looking to ditch the endless cycle of toilet paper and bring a touch of spa-level hygiene to their daily routine. This isn't just a basic sprayer, it's a precision-engineered attachment designed to fit seamlessly under your existing toilet seat. The standout feature is the dual nozzle system, which offers dedicated cleaning modes for both rear and frontal feminine wash. This ensures a gentle, targeted spray that is far more effective and much more comfortable than traditional methods. With the adjustable pressure control dial, you can customize the water flow from a soft mist to a powerful stream, giving you total control over your comfort level. What makes this model a set-it-and-forget-it win for your bathroom? Self-cleaning technology. The nozzles automatically retract behind a protective guard gate when not in use, and the self-cleaning feature rinses them with fresh water before and after every use for maximum sanitation. Striking black finish. Unlike the standard white plastic models that can look a bit medical, the sleek satin black design adds a modern, high-end aesthetic that complements contemporary bathroom hardware. No electrician needed. Since it's non-electric, you don't have to worry about wiring or power surges. It runs entirely on your home's water pressure and installs in about 15 minutes with standard tools. Eco-friendly and budget-smart. By switching to a bidet, you'll significantly reduce your toilet paper consumption, saving you money and helping the environment one flush at a time. It's a small investment that makes a massive difference in your personal comfort and home's carbon footprint. It's the kind of upgrade that guests will notice, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your bathroom experience today. If this breakdown helped you clean up your home setup, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart home and lifestyle reviews. See you in the next one.